This right here, if I see this one more time, I know something. I'm gonna throw something.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Oh my God, not my hair. Hi ladies and gentlemen and everybody in between, I am back. I don't know what sort of video this is because obviously, girl, we're in a different location. We're in my living room. And frankly, today, you know, I had something to get off my chest and I wanted to get cute. Let's do some wig unpopular opinions while I style this Amazon wig that I have on my head. Now this wig is like a curly glueless Amazon wig. They said it was a wear and go, and I did a, what do you call it, try on haul of some wear and go wigs from Amazon, and this one was one of them. And she was cute, but I had to be honest, the way I styled her, I really didn't give her a fighting chance. So I said, well, let's chat and do this wig today and then see how she turns out, right? So I got this idea from Jackie Ina years ago. She did it with makeup. She used to talk about all her popular opinions while doing her makeup, and I'm gonna do mine while doing my wig. This wig was supposed to be wear and go when it was supposed to have lace that was pre-cut, and I had to cut this lace myself. So it's straight across, it's, you know, it's jagged, it's whatever. Now the rest of the hair on the wig, it actually looks nice. How many combs are in here? 4 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and it has that silicone elastic band. I just wish they didn't lie about the wear and go part, because it's supposed to have. Wear and goes have pre-cut lace. What's wear and go about it if I gotta cut the lace? I'm gonna leave all the products down below. I'm gonna work on the hairline and then add a little bit of mousse. I don't plan on attaching this wig because I just don't feel like it, but maybe I will in the end because the lace is looking a little grayish, you know? Like it looks good, but it don't look great. So I'm gonna use my She's Bomb wax stick to get this hairline together. Y'all know how I do. I'm not gonna explain everything that I do because why? I just wanna chat. My first unpopular opinion, I had to write them down. I think men should wear wigs. I'm talking about straight men. I feel like straight men should wear wigs. I don't think the girls should give them grief about it. I think men should be able to wear wigs. I think men should be able to go get a piece put on at the salon, at the barbershop, and leave and be proud to tell everybody about it. Yeah. Every time one of my wig videos gets pretty popular, my comments get out of control with men that come up in there with the attitude about me not wearing my natural hair. It's giving it's giving that you're upset. It's giving that you're jealous. It's giving that you wish that you could be wearing a wig too. So I feel like you should get you a 32-inch bust down and give it a little crazy bone. Or which one? One of them Bone Thugs and Harmony boys. I feel like y'all should free yourselves, okay? Grab a wig and push, okay? Calm down and grab a wig. I really do feel like that. Did you want one? Every time I get a comment like that, I be thinking like, you want a wig. Since you want a wig, you want a wig, sir. You want a wig, just say that. I'll send you one if you're having issues. I probably won't, but I'll send you a link. If you're struggling with a piece of your hair, go get a piece and then live your life. Be happy, okay? Because I don't want you coming my way with your attitude because I got freedom with my scalp and you don't. Get some freedom and get a wig, okay? Let's get into baby hairs. Am I gonna do my baby hairs right now? I might as well do some baby hairs while I'm talking about baby hairs. The girls are serious about their baby hairs. And let me tell you something. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I do not like big baby hairs. I don't like them on me. Sometimes I feel like the girls go too far. I feel like if your baby hair is matching, is like touching your eyebrow, come on. Like the eyebrow, I feel like it's too far. You could just twist these two together and get a Senegalese twist right between your eyebrow and your baby hair. I feel like that's a lot. But big baby hairs, small baby hairs, I don't really think nothing of them. You know, wear what you want to wear. I'm a small baby hair girl. Like this is how small I like my baby hairs. I like them tiny, boom, small. I don't even have a trash can near me. Where's my trash can? I'm a small baby hair girl. I think small baby hairs look cute, but see, some of us be falling into that trap. We be acting like the small baby hair girls or the no baby hair girls are better than the baby hair girls. No. Ooh, you doing no baby hair, that's classy. Girl, everything don't gotta be classy and not classy. Everything don't have to be ghetto and not ghetto. It's just no baby hairs or baby hairs. It's a preference. Like it don't have to be all that. I think we be putting a lot on baby hairs when it don't have to be all that. They make it seem like it's a horoscope. Girl, you really be trying to drag out this classy thing, and baby hairs are baby hairs. That's all I had to say. That's all. Let's talk about wear and go wigs. Since I'm doing a wear and go wig. Wear and go wigs are never wear and go wigs. That's what I found out, girl. I've done how many reviews on wear and go wigs? I think at least 10 or so. I can't even remember. Okay, you need a little lace tint, you need a little makeup, you may need a little bit of mousse on the hair because it's dry, you may need a little tint, a little trim. you may need a couple of things, girl. So it's never just plop on and go. Now, if you're that girl that takes a wig out the box and plops it on, that's you, girl. I ain't gonna hate on you. I'm probably gonna talk about you a little bit. None of these wigs are wear and go. So with this new iteration of wear and go wigs, we're all thinking, girl, you look at the TikTok ads, you look at the Instagram ads, and it's like, ooh, oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Girl, no, don't let it fool you. Sometimes they have filters on it. And somebody like me, I put a lot of work into my wear and go. So it may look like I tossed it on, but I didn't just toss it on, girl. I put my whole foot, my whole big toe into that wig. So speaking of these ads, if I see these ads one more time, if I see this one more time, and I know I'm guilty of it, I do it every single video. This right here, if I see this one more time, I know something. I'm gonna throw something. This right here. What is this? I get it, the hair is bouncy, but it's not bouncing as much as you think it is. So when you're doing that, you really telling on a wig, so stop. And girl, you probably didn't even have to do this because we saw the lace. We saw the lace, we seen it. So why you doing this? We seen it, we seen it. All this, the extra dramatic. If I see that one more time, they are dragging it. When I tell you they're dragging it, they're dragging it. And when I say they, I mean me. I'm back. Oh, let me zoom y'all back out. So I'm back. What was I saying? What was I on? How about this? Wigs are not as hot as y'all say they are. Yeah, it's 100 degrees outside. I still can wear a wig. Is it ideal? No. Is it too hot to wear a wig? Yes, but it's not as hot as y'all say it is. Like way back when I started to wear wigs, or when I was wearing wigs, like when I was younger, people used to say that to me like, oh girl, you ain't hot, you ain't hot. Girl, no, I'm not that hot, but I know I'm cute. Oh girl, you got on a wig. Oh, you ain't hot. Please stop saying that. Please stop saying that, because y'all get on my nerves. It's just like when the girls go outside in the wintertime in a mini skirt and they be like, you not cold? I know you cold. No, you're just mad. Are you offering me a jacket? Are you offering me a heater? Are you gonna blow your hot breath on me? No. Look, she wearing a wig in the summertime. Oh, you ain't hot. That's too hot for me. Oh, 32 inches, that's too hot for me. Girl, what about the girls that got really, really long hair? Do y'all say that to them? Oh, it's too hot for all that long hair you got on your head. You don't say it, because I feel like it's hateration. Shout out to Mary J. Blige. I really do be sick of the girls saying, you ain't hot, I know you hot. I need to trim this hair. I should have took this down. I'm not that hot. Girl, do you see me breaking a sweat? No, you don't, because it's in here. It's in the cap, girl. It'll come out a little bit later, but you're not gonna even see me sweat. So no, don't be worried about how hot I am, but I see them beads of sweat on your natural forehead. What you can do is back up. I don't wanna hear it. Girl, that triggered me. I hate it when people talk about my body temperature when I'm looking cute. I think I'm almost through them. I ran my mouth so much. Is this the last one? Let me get this mousse on this hair. Okay, let me put some mousse on there, because I'm gonna think up some other stuff. Hold on. Oh, how about this? I don't think men should have any say-so on women's hair or wigs, whether you wear a wig or not. I don't, because are you gonna get my hair done? And I be seeing the girls in the comments talking about some, yeah, I know, I wear my natural hair. I wear my natural hair, okay, cute for you, but some of us can't be wearing our natural hair like that. If I straighten my hair 2 times in a month, it's over. I can't do that unless I go to a professional salon and I get my hair done. But who has time to be doing that, sitting in the salon? I'm not doing that. Plus, I don't trust some of these girls out here. I see what y'all be going through on TikTok. When you ask me to wear my hair natural, you're asking me to fight. Like, not all of us got really, really thick, full, you know, kinks and coils. And no, I'm not that girl. My hair is, you can see my scalp from the stratosphere. Friend, girl, I take about 10 vitamins a day, and guess what? My scalp looks the same. It's been looking the same since I was born. Girl, I was a bald-headed scallywag, and I'm gonna always be a bald-headed scallywag, but not with this. Okay, so you tell me. I think men should have opinion about hair, because you don't know what I'm going through. Oh girl, that day we don't like that. We don't like when you don't wear your neck. We don't care. Okay, act like it's a movie theater. Turn off your phone and be quiet. Don't talk to me. Okay, don't talk to me about none of that. We go through this wig, but that always triggers me. If y'all, the amount of comments that I get from men is crazy. It really is insane. And I be thinking, like, who sent y'all? Where do y'all come from? It actually doesn't look bad, like without a lot of mousse, but it was just a little bit tangled. It still feels dry, so I don't know. Let me put this mousse on the other side. Ooh, okay, there we go. Ooh, it's shedding like crazy, baby. These Amazon wigs. This ain't giving what it's supposed to give. And there's hair like everywhere. I think I'm gonna spray the lace down on this one. Like, it's a wear and go, but I'm gonna spray down this wear and go because I feel like it today. Maybe not, because it looks good-ish. Maybe I could put a little bit of gel on it. Hold on. That's what I like to do. I like to take a little bit of gel. Right, I'm gonna take this lace putty and I'm just gonna add a little gel to it. and then kind of let it seep through the lace so it can melt it a little bit. Ooh, this lace putty smells really good. Okay. Why does it smell so good? It smells so good. Anyways, let's dry the wig. I'm gonna dry these curls, but before I dry my curls, we're gonna get to our last point. I'm gonna dry it with this Dyson blow dryer with a little head girl. I ain't buy this. This was gifted to me. This thing's expensive. It's like $500. Anyways, my last point is that as I'm blending this lace, wigs gonna always look like wigs, friend. I think you can make a wig look as realistic as possible, almost like kind of undetectable on camera. On camera, girl, you cannot see this thing. But when you get in person and that light from the noontime shines on that lace, it's gonna give very much screen door. It's not gonna give skin, it's not gonna give scalp, it's not gonna give oily scalp, it's not gonna give that. It's gonna give lace, okay? I'm okay with that. Like, there are times where I would get out in the sun and my husband would be like, your lace looks really good, but it's lace. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can see it, but sometimes it's not obvious. And you get close enough to smell somebody's breath, you can see their lace. That's just what it is. When I wear wigs for them to look like really good wigs, not exactly scalp, because I'm setting myself up for failure. If I go outside and I tell the girls like, this is my real hair, if I were to really say that's my real hair, they'd be like, this girl's a liar. Somebody needs to send her to the asylum because she really do think that's growing out of her scalp. Oh my God, we can tell that's not your real hair. No. Oh my God, it's the end of the world. Oh my God, I thought this was my real hair. I thought y'all would think it's, girl, nobody's gonna think it's my real hair, girl. I slip this thing off at night and it ends up on the couch, okay? Ends up back here, in there, on the floor, wherever. My real scalp don't do that, so I know it's a wig. But is it a good wig? That's the question. But don't try to insult the girls by telling us, oh my God, we can tell that's not your real hair. We all can tell, we all know. And I can tell that that's your real hair too, sis. Because I see them ends, so. So we can go toe for toe, we can go tit for tat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dry this hair. I may toss on a little bit of makeup, I'm not sure. I'm proud of my skin today because the skincare is doing their job. I may just leave it like this, girl, and go makeupless. Or maybe I'll just do a little contour and a little concealer. Maybe, because I'm gonna wash my face tonight anyway, so. Will it hurt? I don't know. Let me go ahead and dry this hair and then I'll be back once the hair is completely dry. We can get on up out of here. I can quit dragging it because I'm dragging it.
like I said, okay, correct me. And the thighs don't match, it's still not working right. Still, I guess, but I don't know. I feel like we can do better. I don't know. Somebody go get Viva Atlanta. I am kind of low-key tired of the friend of the shoot. There's way too many women.
I don't like the lip color. Why is it so gray? It's really gray. But I mean, it is what it is. Oh, girl, it's really gray. Oh, girl, no. Yes, bring me back to life. Just a little bit. Ooh, child. I like that. Anyways, this is the end of the video. The hair is dry-ish. It's like a little bit wet, but one thing I don't like about this hair, like after fully reviewing it, it feels like the curls don't take on to like mousse and like fluff up. The hair is so crunchy. It's just crunchy, but maybe I just need to separate it a little bit. It's a little bit crunchy and it's like thick at the top, thin at the bottom. I think it looks good though. Like, it's still glueless. You can kind of see the lace, right? Girl, it's a wig, who cares? But I still think it's cute. I was gonna lay it down, but girl, I'm about to take this wig off, so why would I do that? But hopefully y'all enjoyed this unpopular opinion / $100 wear and go wig from Amazon wig review. I will leave a link for the unit down below. Y'all let me know if you have any other suggestions for wigs that you'd like me to try out, or any other suggestions for videos or unpopular opinion suggestions. But y'all let me know. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. I enjoyed doing it. I enjoyed the giggle. Next time I need to do it with a cocktail because I'm really gonna get my stuff off, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.